Most people who want to start vibe coding get stuck at the same point. Not understanding what it is, not being inspired enough. They get stuck on where do I actually start, which tool do I open, what do I type first, what do I do when it goes wrong. Today I am answering all of that, step by step. No coding experience needed. I am Mario, this is AI Alpha, let us get into it. Before you install anything, pick one tool. Cursor is a code editor, like Microsoft Word, but for code. Files on the left, code in the middle, AI chat panel on the right. Visual, familiar, click-based. Then Claude Code, a terminal tool. Black screen, type commands, have a conversation with Claude there. More powerful, more precise. Feels strange if you have never opened a terminal. Honest recommendation for beginners that never coded before. Start with Cursor. Comfortable with a command line? Start with Claude Code. Setting up Cursor. You go to cursor.com, download it. Looks exactly like VS Code when it opens. That is intentional. 3 things after installing. Number 1, sign up. You get 2 weeks free, then $20 a month. Number 2, in settings, set the AI model to Claude Sonnet. Best balance of quality and speed for beginners. Switch to Claude Opus 4.7 for harder problems later. Number 3, create a new folder for your project. Open it in Cursor. The AI reads everything inside this folder as context. That is the full setup. Ready to build. The mistake that kills every beginner's first project: describing entire app in one prompt. Build me a habit tracker with a dashboard, streaks, reminders, charts, user accounts, and dark mode. The AI gets overwhelmed. Build something half right. Makes assumptions you have no idea what to fix. The right approach: one feature at a time. Start with the most basic version of your idea. For a habit tracker, build a simple habit tracker web app. It should show a list of habits. Let me add a new habit by typing and pressing enter. Let me check off a habit for today. Store everything locally so it saves when I refresh. Use plain HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. No frameworks. Keep it simple. Notice 3 features, not 20. Specific technology. Keep it simple at the end. That last instruction matters. Without it, AI over-engineers. In Cursor, open Composer panel. Command K on Mac. Control K on Windows. Paste your prompt, hit enter, and watch it build. When it works, build feature by feature in conversation. Stay in the same Cursor session. Good follow-up prompts are: add a streak counter showing days in a row I have checked off each habit. Make the design cleaner. White background, simple, sans serif font, soft shadows. Add a delete button. Small X on the right of each habit. Make it work on mobile. Layout should stack vertically on small screens. Each prompt, one thing, specific, clear, AI adds it. You test it, you describe the next thing. That is the entire workflow. When it breaks, and it will, do not start over. Here is what to do. First, describe exactly what broke, not this is wrong, but the delete button used to work and now clicking it does nothing. Specific means faster fix. Second, use the undo system. Claude Code, type /rewind. Pick the last point where everything worked. Cursor, use the checkpoint system in the Composer panel. Third, if things get very messy, start a new session, but keep the working files. You are not losing progress, just clearing the AI's confused recent context. Setting up Claude Code for people comfortable with a terminal. You have to install Node.js from nodejs.org, download the LTS version. Open your terminal, run npm install g@entropic -ai /Claude Code. Navigate to your project folder, type Claude, and then Claude Code opens. Read your folder, start describing 3 commands to know immediately. /plan, think through the task before writing any code. Use for complex features. /rewind, go back to an earlier point. Use when something breaks. /clear, clears the conversation context. Use when starting a new feature. Vibe coding in one sentence. Describe what you want, one feature at a time. Test it, describe the next thing. The tools, Cursor, Visual Editor, best for beginners, $20 a month. Claude Code is a terminal tool, best for complex projects included in Cloud Pro. Most important thing, your first project should be something you actually want. Not a tutorial project, something you would use yourself. Because the moment you open your tool in a browser and it actually works, that is when vibe coding becomes real for you. What is the first thing you are going to build? Drop it below and I will give you the exact first prompt to use. Drop it in the comments. I read every single one of them. And if you want to go deeper on all of this, I run a community called AI University. $9 a month, plain English AI every single day. Link is in the description. Subscribe for more plain English AI every day. See you in the next one.